Affiliate marketing can be a great way to generate reoccurring income in addition to your current job. However, in some cases, people use it as an extremely profitable full-time income. So once you understand it, the choice is yours if you want to treat it like a side hustle or if you want to treat it as something you could do potentially full-time. Either way, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what affiliate marketing is and the foundation for how you get started. Because honestly, right now, there's a huge need for people to make additional money, mainly due to the massive amount of layoffs that are projected for this year and the fact that the cost of living has just gone through the roof. And nowadays, people love the idea of being able to make money online and being able to work from the comfort of their own home or anywhere else in the world. So I suggest grabbing a pen and paper so you can take notes on everything that's covered in this video. That way you'll have a comprehensive guide of everything you need to know to get the ball rolling with this affiliate marketing. And also saving this video and rewatching it later definitely won't hurt either. So for starters, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online by promoting other people's products and getting paid a commission every time there's a sale made. So here's what that looks like. So you have a company that offers a product to the public. Then you come along and you form a relationship with that company and you're referred to as an affiliate. Then you promote the company's products or services by using an affiliate link. That link is what connects you to the specific product. So when someone goes and purchases a product and they use your specific link, when that sale is made, you earn a commission. Here's a more specific example of what that looks like because I want this concept to be crystal clear for you. Now, most people are familiar with the company Apple. If not, they pretty much sell computers, cell phones, and other electronic devices. So your first step would become an affiliate of Apple. So from there, Apple issues you a specific link. And now you can promote Apple products wherever you like, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, your own personal website. Just make sure you use that specific link. And that link is what Apple uses to track. So they'll know that when someone clicks that link, they got to the website specifically from you. And then when that person buys something, Apple is the one that pays you a commission. So let's say you're on Instagram posting about the new iPhone, going over all the great new features they may have, and someone watching your video is now interested in buying that phone. And when they reach out to you, you direct them to the link in your bio. Or maybe you don't have any interaction with them and they take initiative and go directly to the bio on their own. Either way, when they click your link, they will be directed to the Apple website. And if they make a purchase there, you get paid a commission. Let's assume the phone is worth $1,000 and Apple agrees to pay you a 10% commission on every sale. So what happens is when someone clicks and buys a phone, you actually make $100. So that's affiliate marketing in the most simple form. Because the truth is, they were probably gonna buy that phone anyway. Your post or your video just gave them a little extra confirmation they needed. So when starting out, it's extremely important to understand that in order to earn a commission, the customer must go through your actual link. And each company has their own scale for the specific guidelines of how long can pass by from the time somebody clicks your link and the time they actually make a sale. Some companies only allow 24 hours and others say they could actually make the purchase 30 days later. So that's definitely something you want to be aware of. Additionally, there's also different ways you can make money. One is a CPA, which stands for cost per action, and the other is CPC, which stands for cost per click. CPAs pay out for a completed action, meaning the sale has to be made or maybe a form has to be completed. CPCs pay out for a quality visitor. So pretty much they're just paying for a lead. So you definitely want to know how that specific company pays out. So obviously you can start to imagine how someone can make a sufficient amount of money in this industry. So just know that successful affiliate marketers come in all shapes and sizes. Some are solo entrepreneurs and some are working on small or even large teams. One of the main benefits is that it's an extremely low risk industry because you don't have to actually handle or deliver any of the products. And at the same time, there's no specific education or professional background needed to run this business. So by utilizing the right resources, anyone has the opportunity to generate revenue through this platform. Now, one thing that is crucial for your success is your ability to attract and engage a target audience. And one of your best chances of doing that is by choosing the right niche. And the niche is just the subject matter of your blog, your website, your social media platform, or whatever it is you plan on using to promote the products. So when searching for a niche for you specifically, it's best to start with something that you have an interest or some type of passion in. These are areas that you already have some type of knowledge or maybe experience in. And in some cases, maybe already spending money on. Or just think about things that you like talking about or something you like learning about currently. And the reason that's so powerful is because it gives you an understanding of the customer's perspective. You'll already be aware of the needs and maybe the trends that are going on in that niche. Besides, it's a lot easier to talk about or even write about something you're already showing interest in. And a lot of times people realize that they're already doing it anyways just without the pay. They already naturally refer all type of products and services to people. And also, since you already enjoy that subject matter, it won't always feel like work to you. However, even though you may be picking a niche that you already like, you cannot lose sight that it is a business. So one thing that you'll definitely have to evaluate is if that niche can be turned into a profitable business. business. So just take a moment and write down all your interests and all your hobbies on a sheet of paper. Then review your list carefully and consider the potential niches that can come from those interests. So if you like to garden, maybe it makes sense to consider garden as a potential niche. You can make a blog or a video reviewing specific garden tools and then just leave a link in your bio or a link on the website for anyone that wants to make a purchase. So that's why it's so powerful to choose something that you're already interested in, because you'll have an idea of how certain things work and what's important and what people like. Just keep in mind that you aren't required to be an expert in that field. Now, if you plan on creating content for a website, just make sure you're confident in your ability to research and write on that subject matter. I would definitely advise not choosing a technical niche that you're not familiar with at all, because it can be pretty challenging trying to continue to produce content. Also, keep in mind that you don't have to come up with any upfront costs or any out-of-pocket expenses. It does not cost any money to become an affiliate of a company, because remember, you don't own these products. All you're doing is referring and recommending them to people. So you can literally start with no budget at all. But if needed, maybe you can have a budget of $100 to invest in maybe a website or some type of equipment that you need. Maybe you'll need to get a tripod to hold your cell phone because you plan on using it as a camera to make video content. By the way, if you do need a tripod, if you go to my description box below, there'll be an affiliate link that you can purchase. I'm just joking. There's no affiliate link for any tripod in my description box. Simply a joke. But that was a great example of how affiliate marketing works. During my video, I mentioned a potential need that somebody watching this video may have. Then I followed it up with a recommended solution. And I even made their life easier by providing a link directly to the product they need. That way, if anyone actually went to the link and clicked it, I'd earn a commission. Simple as that. And now that I think about it, maybe I should have added an affiliate link to my description box. Oh well, maybe next time. Another great thing that I just thought about is that even though this video is done, I can always go back later and still add the link in the description box. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is it allows you to avoid some of the responsibilities that a lot of businesses have. Some big ones are dealing with customer complaints or even handling returns and things like that. That's not your job. Your job is to simply promote the products, and when the sale is made, the company then takes over. Now, with that being said, I have to point out that as an affiliate marketer, it's very important to maintain extremely high integrity on anything that you offer or anything that you promote. Don't promote anything that you know is not good quality. This will definitely damage your reputation and you'll lose trust from your audience. So it's important to either use or have some type of experience with the products you promote, or at least do some research or look at some other customer feedback first. This is extremely important for your long-term success. So I think we did a really good job at creating an understanding of exactly what affiliate marketing is. So now let's shift gears to discuss how to find different products to promote and the potential earnings. So let's start off by exploring the different products we can promote. It may come as a surprise to you, but many companies already have affiliate marketing programs just ready for you to join and promote. To find out if a company has an affiliate program, all you have to do is use Google. So if you type that company's name followed by affiliate program, it'll pop right up. And it's as simple as that. For example, if you type Apple affiliate program, it'll pop right up and it'll show you exactly affiliate program and show you the steps as far as how to join. Another route you can use is going to affiliate networks. Affiliate networks are just companies that give you an extension to a lot of other companies. One of the most common is Amazon Associates. This would probably be the best place to start if you're completely brand new, because you are literally promoting products that are already on Amazon. So if someone clicks your link, they'll be navigated to the Amazon website, and if they make a purchase within the next 24 hours, you actually earn a commission on that sale. And one of the best features is that you're not limited to the actual item that they clicked about, meaning if they clicked about a camera and made it to Amazon and bought $5,000 worth of merchandise on Amazon, you make a commission on that entire purchase. Now, one of the downsides is that you, your friends, your families cannot use your affiliate link. So it's something that can only be used by an actual audience that you create. So here's an actual copy of the commission rates with Amazon. You can screenshot this so you can reference it later. So if you look at the commission chart, you can see that you can make a different amount based on the niche that you're in. So if you're in the luxury and beauty industry, every time you make a sale, you'd make 10% of that sale as a commission. But if you're in the television and digital video game niche, then you're only making 2% of the amount sold. But you also have to factor in that a television is going to cost a lot more than a beauty product. So even though it's a smaller percent, it may be a smaller percent of a larger number. So this is something you definitely want to keep in mind when you're narrowing down your choices for a niche. And there's really no set rules that says you have to narrow it down to one specific niche, but you'll have the most success if the products that you're offering matches the content you're delivering to your audience. So now that you've seen the potential earnings, let me show you how someone gets signed up. Okay, so you're gonna head over to Google, type in Amazon Associates Program, and the first link that pops up should be the correct site. Just verify it does say Amazon.com. Then you're gonna click that link. and it should take you to a page that says Amazon Associates in the top left hand corner with the sign up button right in the middle. Okay, so you want to click sign up, and if you're not currently logged in to Amazon, it will ask you to log in. Next is going to ask for your account information. Your information should already be populated. Just make sure everything's correct, and you're going to click next. On this page, it's asking you for your website. So if you have a website or a blog, you definitely want to put it in that box to the left where it says enter your website. If not, you could just use your YouTube page. So once you get your URL from your YouTube page, you want to enter it to the box and then press add. Then you'll see it will add it to the box right below it, and then you hit next. Here it's asking you if your website is primarily targeted to children under the age of 13. So if it's no, hit no, and then hit confirm. Next is your profile. So you're going to enter a preferred associate store ID. That's going to be anything you choose, and if it's available, that'll be your store ID. And then from then on, everything else is pretty self-explanatory. Then we get to the bottom, you hit agree, and then hit finish. And after you hit finish, if the ID is available, it'll be issued to you, and then your application is complete. And then from there, if you want to promote a specific product, you just go to Amazon, find the product, get your actual link, and you can paste that link on your page. Now that you have your application completed, now you want to focus on building an audience. You want to start doing this right away because Amazon gives you 180 days to complete your first sales. If for whatever reason you can't complete those 3 sales in the first 180 days, they will remove you from the program. Now you're not banned forever. All you have to do is reapply. Just keep in mind that when you reapply, you will be issued new links. So all the old links that you had will now be invalid. So this audience that you're building could be done on various platforms. It could be a blog, it could be a website, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whatever. Just any platform that allows you to reach people. And you don't necessarily need millions of subscribers and followers, because when you speak into a specific niche, you increase the chances of someone being interested in whatever it is that you're promoting. I suggest that you get started with a platform that you're very comfortable with. But hey, if you feel like you want to start a brand new blog, that's fine too. Just as long as you get the ball rolling with something. Just know that affiliate marketing does have the potential to bring you really good income if you execute it properly. And like any other business, it does take hard work, dedication, and time. It's definitely not a get rich quick type of thing. Now I know there's going to be a lot of unanswered questions because this video was more designed as more of an introduction. But if you have any specific questions, feel free to put them in the comments. I have no problem making future videos addressing those questions. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.